If you're on the lookout for a kitchen tool that combines tradition, durability, and unparalleled cooking performance, this Lodge 12-inch pre-seasoned cast iron skillet could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. This skillet, crafted by Lodge, a family-owned American company with over a century of cast iron expertise, brings reliable quality and versatility. From stove to grill, and even over a campfire, this skillet is a trusted companion for countless cooking tasks, including searing, sautéing, baking, and frying. Why cast iron? Cast iron cookware dates back to ancient times, and its enduring popularity is a testament to its unmatched heat retention and even cooking abilities. Unlike other materials, cast iron gets better with age, developing a natural, easy-release surface as it's used. Lodge has perfected this art, making the 12-inch pre-seasoned cast iron skillet an excellent choice for both new and experienced home cooks. Why choose the Lodge 12-inch cast iron skillet? There are countless cookware options on the market, so why choose Lodge? Here are a few reasons why this skillet stands out. High quality and longevity. Lodge's reputation for quality means this skillet is built to last and only gets better with age. Unbeatable heat retention. No more cold spots or uneven cooking. Lodge's cast iron delivers consistent, reliable results. Versatility in cooking. Whether you're frying, baking, roasting, or sautéing, this skillet does it all. Its compatibility with various heat sources from induction to campfires makes it ideal for all cooking enthusiasts. Key features. 1. Seasoned for immediate use. This skillet comes pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil. The seasoning process Lodge uses ensures the skillet has a natural, easy-release finish right out of the box. You won't have to worry about synthetic coatings or chemicals. Lodge's seasoning is all natural, which means you're cooking with the pure iron surface. Plus, the seasoning improves with every use, giving your skillet a unique, enhanced finish over time. 2. Unmatched heat retention and even heating. One of the standout features of cast iron is its heat retention. Unlike many other materials, cast iron heats slowly but evenly and retains that heat for longer periods. This allows for consistent cooking without hot spots, which is crucial for achieving perfect sears on meats, creating golden brown crusts, and ensuring uniform cooking. 3. Versatile cooking options. The Lodge 12-inch skillet is designed to be as versatile as possible. It can be used on a variety of heat sources, including gas, electric, and induction stovetops, as well as in the oven, on the grill, or even over an open fire. Its adaptability makes it perfect for everything from home cooking to outdoor camping. 4. Dual handles for easy maneuvering. Lodge designed this skillet with a primary handle and an additional assist handle, making it easy to lift and transport, even when the skillet is full. This is particularly helpful with cast iron, as it can be heavy, especially when filled with food. 5. Built to last a lifetime. Lodge has been making cast iron cookware since 1896, and their products are known for their durability and quality. With proper care, this skillet can last for generations, becoming a treasured piece of your cooking repertoire. What to cook in your Lodge cast iron skillet? One of the best aspects of this skillet is its versatility. Here are some cooking ideas that highlight its strengths. Searing meat. Get a beautiful crust on steaks, chicken, and pork by searing in cast iron. Pan-frying vegetables. The skillet's even heating makes it ideal for frying vegetables, from crispy potatoes to charred Brussels sprouts. Baking cornbread or biscuits. Cast iron skillets are famous for baking, giving breads and biscuits a nice crust. Oven roasting. Use the skillet to roast chicken, potatoes, or vegetables in the oven. How to care for your Lodge cast iron skillet. Proper care is essential for maintaining cast iron. Here are some simple steps. 1. Hand wash only. Always hand wash your skillet with warm water. Avoid soap or harsh detergents as they can strip the seasoning. 2. Dry immediately. Prevent rust by drying your skillet thoroughly after washing. 3. Re-season regularly. After each wash, rub the skillet with a thin layer of vegetable oil. This keeps it seasoned and prevents rust. FAQs. Addressing common concerns. Number 1. Why does my pan have a rusty-looking spot? Occasionally, the oil used in seasoning may not fully carbonize, leading to a spot that looks like rust. This is normal and will improve with use. To resolve this, scrub the area with steel wool, wash dry, and rub with vegetable oil. Number 2. How heavy is this skillet? As with all cast iron, it has weight, and the large 12-inch skillet is no exception. The dual-handle design helps with maneuvering the pan when it's filled with food, making it easier to handle. Number 3. Can I use it on my glass stovetop? Yes, you can. However, be careful not to slide the skillet, as cast iron can scratch glass surfaces. Final verdict. The large 12-inch pre-seasoned cast iron skillet is a must-have for anyone who values quality, versatility, and tradition in their kitchen. It's perfect for beginners learning to cook, or seasoned chefs who need a reliable, high-performing skillet. With its natural seasoning, excellent heat retention, and robust design, this skillet promises to become an indispensable part of your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.